Good evening to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. What I'm going to be unboxing today is two pieces, actually. I'm going to be unboxing the Undercover by Jun Takahashi pre-fall 2023 cardigan and records t-shirt that I picked up from Forward. Exciting stuff, guys. So I hinted about this one in the celebration video, the discussion video, where I talked about the 5th birthday of the channel. But yes, I picked up a couple undercover pieces for Christmas for myself. And yeah, I said in that video that the next video was going to be me unboxing them. But yeah, the two pieces that I picked up for Christmas was are the pre-fall cardigan. That is the cardigan that comes in black, that features two pockets that have been turned inside out with these really lovely designs applied to the inside out pockets. And while I was picking that up, I was going through Forward's pieces that they have available, and I noticed they had the records t-shirt, and I was like, oh, that's on sale too. It's in a size 4. I do love, you know, my records. I do love Jun Takahashi. I love that he's grabbed his clothing brand and he loves music, and he has then made like a fake record label for this graphic t-shirt. I'll pick it up. What the hell? So yeah, I picked that one up as well. They were all on special. I was literally holding out until that cardigan was on special to buy it. Like checking every week. It's still full price. I'll come back later. And then eventually, probably because it's, you know, Christmas, it went on sale, and I was like, I'll pick it up now. And luckily it was the size 5. It was the only size 5 available, and it was also one of the few boutiques I could actually find the piece having a size 5 available. Now a size 4 would have fit me, but you know me, if there is a size 5 available, I'm gonna pick up the size 5. Yeah, so I picked that up in a size 5. The records t-shirt was available in a size 4. I have picked it up in a size 4. I do have some hesitation. I did look at the sizing on Forward's website. A size 4 should be totally fine for me, but I guess I'm just a little bit nervous because I don't own any undercover t-shirts. I'm a little bit worried about how it's going to fit, especially on a bigger guy who ate way too much over Christmas and is just a bigger guy in general, but I'm sure we'll find that out together. And if worst case scenario, the t-shirt's too small, I'm sure I could sell it on to someone, but or I could hold on to it for archival purposes, because I do want to make a big undercover collection. It'll be either pathway, honestly. I'll probably hold on to it, actually, realistically. But yeah, in today's video, I'm going to unbox both of those pieces. I'm going to showcase them on body, showcase them in person, everything like that. Let's get into it, guys. Let's get into unboxing these two pieces and seeing how they turned out from Forward. I've got to say, I was actually really impressed with Forward's shipping, though, because like I bought it just before Christmas, and I thought, that's going to be a 2024, you know, gift to myself. Like, that's not going to get here anytime soon. But no, it's literally the 29th. It arrived, I think, either yesterday or maybe the day before. I can't remember exactly. But before the end of the year, which I was really, really surprised about. So good on them for their fantastic shipping, which was free. So, you know, I mean, you can't complain about that. It came from all the way around the world before Christmas. I'm very impressed with that. I feel like you need to, you know, get some praise for that, Forward. I have bought from Forward before. I've bought undercover pieces from them before, and they turned out fantastic. So I didn't really have any doubts or reservations that this time would be any different, you know. We'll get into it. I'll just make sure that I don't cut anything. Cool. Put the trusty kitchen scissors down. We'll open this one up here. Comes in a nice Forward packaged box. Oh, sorry, packaged wrapping, I should say. We'll take that out. Take the order details out. We'll have a look at it here. So, yes, undercover cardigan in black, size 5. Undercover records tee in black, size 4, with the item description codes next to it as well. Cool. Fantastic. It looks like they have different item codes to signify the different seasons, as they always do, but I don't know which season the Undercover Records tee came in. So if you guys know, definitely drop it in the comment section below, but the code for it is UC Undercover 2B9805-3, and all that kind of signifies to what type of piece it is and what type of season it is. So someone should be able to tell me what season it is based off that information there, but I probably could go hunting through some lookbooks and find out myself. But anyway, we'll get to that later. That's a later problem at the moment. So here we are here, as we can see, forward branding packaging on the back as well. We'll open this one up now because it's just a bit of tape and a bit of oh, get that undone there. Cool. So here is the t-shirt first, and then here is the cardigan. I'll chuck the paper over there. We'll start with the t-shirt, I suppose. So we can see iconic Undercover U. Flipping it over, it says Undercover Records. We've got it, I gave all the details just before on what size it is and everything like that. So let's just get it out of the bag. Here is the hang tag. We'll pull the hang tag up and we'll have a look at that. So here it is here. There is the item code, there is the color, there is the size, the material, 100% cotton, as you'd kind of expect from a t-shirt realistically, and various other things like the made in Japan, the website, everything like that. All looks good to me. Cool. Here is the t-shirt itself. I'll unfold it here. You know what? I had my reservations. I thought, oh man, even though I looked at the measurements, this is going to be a tight t-shirt. It's a Japanese brand. The shirt's going to be really tight on me. I'm actually quite surprised at how wide the t-shirt is. I'm actually quite surprised by that. I thought it was going to be a lot thinner, but maybe this will work out really nicely for me. The sleeve looks really short. We'll see how that looks on body. We'll get a better idea of how it looks on body, but here is the graphic that it has. I think it's just really nice, really simple. Undercover Records with what looks like a little wavelength there underneath it. It's just a fun, easy graphic t-shirt, basic, versatile, but again, something that Undercover just absolutely nails all the time, which is just fun and easy to wear graphic t-shirts. I definitely need to pick up a lot more of them because they're exactly like I just said, fun and easy to wear. What is there not to love about that? I'll tell you that much. But now we'll move into the second piece, the big piece, the big boy. Chuck the order details over there. The cardigan. Here we are. Look at those pockets. Insane. Let's undo the bag. The bag comes with button closures. Very bougie. We'll get that out there. We'll chuck that over here. So again, hang tag, or the tag for it. We've got black, size 5. It's cotton, partly cotton, and then rayon. So there's going to be different elements to the piece that are going to have a rayon cotton blend. I am assuming that's going to be the pockets or something like that, but the rest of the piece is 100% cotton there. It comes with a little black bag, as a lot of their pieces do, so you can kind of feel the fabric before purchasing it. Not that it really matters to me, but yeah. They haven't included much more than the actual, like a thread of the material itself, but they've also included an extra button just in case I lose it, which would be really handy because Undercover likes to use custom buttons and sometimes really over-exaggerated and really interesting buttons. So I would hate to, lose one day, but I'm glad that they provide a backup one just in case. I think that's always really good. We'll open up the piece now and I'll try and showcase it to you. Chuck this here and there. The cotton feels very, very soft to the touch. It's not a super heavy cotton. It's not super dense, but just really nice, lovely, and lightweight. Here is the top of the piece. As you can see, it is literally just all black. It is very, very versatile. The only part that starts getting a little bit more exotic and a little bit more colorful is those pockets down the front there. And as you can see, it features this like turned out, wonderful design here. Zip closure, as well as I think another, is that how it works? No, it does just have that, see what I mean, like that turned out look where it's been like someone's pulled the pockets out and then it looks like this. I really like that look. It's an approach that I've never seen being done before on pockets on clothing, so I think that's a really cool way of handling it. I'll unzip it and see how kind of feels on the inside. It feels pretty spacious. I feel like I could fit like a modern day phone in there, if not at least a wallet, so that's got that sorted. Yeah, we'll have a look at the tags for the pre-fall season. So as it says just up there, just undercover, very simple tag. We'll have a look on the left hand side because that's where the sizing tag and everything should be located, if it even has it. Yep, it does have it there. Cool. I thought they might have hidden it in a pocket or something like that, but no, it does have the tags there. There we go. It has undercover. It says made in China, which quite interestingly. Let's have a look at what the tag said on it. Oh no, the tag did say made in China. Yeah, so just the shirt is made in Japan. So made in China for this one, and then we've got the same material breakdown as we did on the tag. All those details like the care details and stuff like that, as you'd expect. A lot of it in Japanese, so I can't really read it at all. But I have heard modern day phones, if you scan just the images with a photo, you can actually like search what the icons mean and how you should appropriately clean clothing pieces. I haven't actually tried that out, and I don't know if that's true or not. I did see it in a video online, but if that is the case, well then it doesn't really matter if it's in Japanese or not. As long as those symbols are universal, that's the main thing. But yeah, now that I have unboxed the piece, we'll try them on individually. I think I'll start with the t-shirt first, just to see how that kind of fits, and then I'll move into the cardigan next as well. So let's try out the Records t-shirt and see how that kind of goes. The Undercover Records t-shirt on, guys. I am actually really happy with the results. Like, I knew it was going to be a tighter t-shirt on me, but I was really worried that it wasn't going to work at all. I was like, I've never bought an undercover shirt. It's not going to work. I think that was the way I felt that way was because I've looked at like shirts from their spring summer 2020 season, and those, like that season, are very tight and form fitting. I think I would barely be able to fit into a size 5 of the t-shirts from that season, and I think that just set the expectations moving forward that if I ever was to buy one of their shirts, it would be extremely tight on me and it wouldn't work at all. But I've proven myself wrong. Like, I think the fit is actually really nice. It doesn't grab onto me on the sides at all. If I did go any smaller than this though, it absolutely would. It would be way too small in the width for me. This is literally as low as I could go. This is like as thin as I could go, as small as I could go in undercover sizing. The sleeve length is really nice. Obviously, I'm used to the Uniqlo tees where they go a little bit longer, but it's not a critique. Like, that's perfectly fine as well. I think it's a really good fit. I think I did well going with the size 4. Would not go any lower. Glad I went with this size. But here it is, guys. As I said, it's pretty basic though, so nothing on the back. Nothing else to really showcase to you guys besides like the, you know, the graphic on the front. But yeah, there it is. Let me know your thoughts on it, if you're a fan of the t-shirt or not. But now that we've done that one, we'll move into my favorite piece, or the piece that I'm most keen to try on, which is the cardigan. Let's chuck it on and see how it looks. Here is the cardigan from the pre-fall season. It is very comfortable, although for my body type at least, it is a lot more form-fitting than I initially thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit looser, a little bit baggier, much like the cardigans I bought from Undercover in the past. However, as we can see, this one's a little bit more form-fitting on myself. Obviously, if you size up and buy a bit bigger, it's not going to fit that same way, but then you've got to look out for the length of it because it could get quite long. I've just thrown this over the top of the Undercover Records t-shirt that I was just wearing, but realistically, I think I would wear this with some nice black suit pants, my white Oxford button-up shirt, and the black tie that I have over here, and then it'll be a very form-fitting outfit, with the only color being these very fun pockets, which as you can see, this. And to showcase kind of the detailing on them, I'll come a little bit closer to the camera. But yeah, they my family was just telling me that they look like little coin purses, which it kind of feels that way. It kind of feels like I'm gonna get my coins out of here, even though I haven't had cash or coins on me for years, because I'm completely digital now. But yeah, it's a very soft cotton, it's very thin, and I'm kind of happy to have that, because then maybe in summer when it's not overly hot, if that even exists, I guess today is the only exception, I should be able to wear this over the top of like the outfit that, like I said, I plan to have it with. But I do kind of like it unbuttoned. I don't know, the whole buttoned up look. Maybe a couple of buttons. Maybe I need to just play around with it a bit. So like do like 2 of them up and then kind of work with it there. I don't know, we'll have to, or maybe do the bottom 4 or something. I've got a lot of options to play around with and try and make it look as best as possible, I suppose. But yeah, I'll showcase any other further like design parts of it. There's nothing on the back of it. It's completely blank, but that's okay. That's fine. No hidden pockets anywhere, I don't think. No hidden pockets there or there. No, the only pockets are the very coin purse. I was going to go Native American, but my family suggested that like, maybe it's more Nepalese, and potentially maybe so. But yeah, the only pockets on here are these little ones down here. But I think they're a lot of fun. I think they add a little color to the piece, and I really like the designs on them. And like I said, I've never seen anyone do pockets this way before. So I think that's just a lot of fun to have them like this, and yeah, it's really comfortable. But I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. How do you feel about both pieces, both the t-shirt and the cardigan? I'd love to pick up the other pieces from this season as well, because I'd love to have the rest of these like native designs done on like the hoods and stuff and the hoodies that they released. It's a really cool concept that was used for this season, and I really enjoy it. But yeah, let me know how you feel about these pieces down in that comment section below. That's both the pieces unboxed, guys. That is the Records t-shirt and the pre-fall cardigan unboxed. Very happy to add this to my ongoing undercover collection. I hope to be collecting a lot more of it in the future, and then hopefully building that that archive one day to have on display. I really hope to pick up the, like I just mentioned, the other pieces from this season, this pre-fall season, just because I really like that design choice that they went with the pockets on this cardigan, and using that same design choice on like the accessories of the other pieces, like the hoods and things like that. I think it looks awesome on the jackets and the hoodies, and I'd really love to own those and have those in my collection as well. But yeah, I'm really glad I went with the sizing that I went with for these pieces and didn't compromise on that, because yeah, I was under the assumption that the cardigan was going to be more of a looser fit, but it is a very form-fitting cardigan. No issues with that though, because I like plan to wear it in an outfit that's very form-fitting, so it'll actually work out quite well. But yeah, hopefully this informed you if you're looking to make the same decisions I made, and you can take it from there, guys. But yeah, I definitely will be picking up from Forward in the future. They have some really good undercover options available at really good prices. They have a lot of other brands as well available for really good prices. So yeah, definitely will be picking up from them. Love their shipping, love how quickly it is, and obviously love the pieces as well, guys. But yeah, I'd love to hear anything that you have to say about Forward or these undercover pieces down in that comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to keep unboxing various undercover pieces and various things that I pick up, you've just got to give me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and if you haven't already, the best indicator that you can give me is a subscribe to the channel. And if you have already subscribed to the channel, tell a couple mates, because we're trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,805 subscribers before the end of 2023. We are very, very close, and hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we'll be able to reach that milestone before the end of the month. But that is everything I got to say about these pieces, guys. Very happy to have them in my wardrobe, and I'll try and wear this cardigan as much as possible moving forward into summer. I don't know how often that will be on both the shirt and the cardigan though. Because it's a very hot season. especially down here in Australia, but I'll try and give it a shot. But I think that's everything I really got to say about them, guys. I'd love to have a chat with you about these pieces in that comment section below. And until the next unboxing video, until the next undercover video, until the next streetwear talk video in general, I'll catch you later.